welcome to or back to my channel. Hey, I'm Ellen if you're new here, and I have not filmed a like sit down video like this in ages, and I feel like every time I film a sit down video I start with my hey, I'm Ellen blah 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 thing, and then I always go, I haven't filmed a sit down video in ages. Probably film about one every like month or 2 months, or if I am filming a sit down video it'll always be like a get ready with me, like while I'm doing my makeup I'll just be chatting, which feels a lot less formal than just sitting down and putting my camera on and filming like a sit down video. So yeah, exciting one today. I managed to get my hands on a mystery bundle from Hissy, and I feel like I don't have spoilers because I was trying to look at like TikToks of people unboxing their mystery bundles. I couldn't find many, and I don't know how many she does of these, whether they like sell out quite quickly or that sort of thing. Maybe she just doesn't do too many, so that is why I couldn't find too many unboxings or anything, or maybe they just don't all go to content creators, so people just, you know, unbox them in their own time, not on a camera, not whilst they're talking to a camera. Which is obviously totally fine, but I want to see what you got. So if you don't know who Hissy are, they are a sustainable independent clothing brand based in Birmingham, I think. I discovered them through TikTok. The girl who runs them, I want to find out her name actually. I think because I see her page like under Hissy, I have like no idea what her name is. I want to say it's Danielle, but like I'm not. Oh, sorry, her video is playing. I want to say it's Danielle, but I'm not 100% on that. Let me try, and she does like these like day in my life things. I'm sure she like introduces herself in those. No. Yeah, Danielle, I was right. So she is a 30-year-old lady who lives in Birmingham who makes, like works really closely with a factory, sources dead stock fabric, then works really closely with a factory based in Birmingham to make all her pieces. Everything seems like it's quite limited edition, so if you like something you have to snap it up because they're all made in small batch. Like there was this black dress I really liked that like tied up at the back. It was like a midi black dress that tied up at the back with a slit in, and I missed the boat on getting that because I didn't realise you had to be like quick to the mark with this brand and get the things you wanted quickly, especially if it was like a hot off the press piece. So yeah, I picked up one of her mystery bundles. I'm going to try and find what I said in the email. So you had to fill in like a few questions when you were selecting your mystery bundle. So I obviously filled in my size. I've gone for a large on top and bottom because I do have a skirt from Hissy which is in a medium, and it's just like a tiny bit too tight. Like I would have just preferred it a little longer, so I went for a large in both. Is there an email that's got my any of my details? Oh, I don't know if there is. I feel like there was one. Let me try and have a little look. Here we go, got it. So it asked for my size, top and bottom, large, and then I said my height is petite. I went petite. I don't know if that was, I'm like 5'3", 4 I guess, so I would say on the petite side. Then my eye colour, which is hazel, my hair colour, which at the moment is brown, and my star sign, which is Sagittarius. Then she had like these 3 dolls you could pick from. If I could find a picture I will leave it here, if they're still on the website. These 3 dolls you could pick from, and I went for Phoebe, which was kind of like the neutrals boho looking doll. And then I said I wanted like an everyday casual cute outfit that I work in an office in London, and I would love that it's something I could wear to those. And then she did say any issues, and I said I have quite big boobs, so this might be a consideration on tops, because like they have these like hanky tops that go round and stuff, and I don't know how well those would work for me, and a lot of tops where you wouldn't be able to wear a bra with them, like open backs and stuff, and I don't think some of those would work for me. And I said that I've got a blue and green skirt, like reversible skirt, and that is all I have. So that was everything I filled in, so let's get into the unboxing. Oh, also I think the packet cost £40, and it has 1 bottom, 1 top and 1 accessory in it, but there was a cheaper version you could get, which I think was just the top and bottom, or just one thing in an accessory. It was different. All the colours look good, so we've got a neutral colour palette going on here, which is what I asked for, which is exciting. So let's pull everything out and try and figure out what everything, oh this looks really good, what everything is. Oh, there's a little note. Oh, this is cute. So she's written a little note and she's like underlined the things that I said I wanted. So she's written if I unbox it on YouTube to tag her in the video please, which I will obviously be doing. And she has underlined quite big boobs and also a casual office in London. Those are the things she's underlined, so I'd say that's what she's going for with this outfit, and then the little hope you like it, Danielle. It's the personal touches from ordering from brands like this that are just so lush. So I think that this is a skirt, I think. Let's open it up and have a look. Which looks really cute, I think. Is it? Yes, it's one of the reversible skirts. I really like this. So it's got black on the front. I'm sure this is a reversible skirt, this one. Does it say if it's a... I'm sure this is, because it's got like black on the inside, so I could do either black or brown with this, which is exciting. I really like it. It's also really like heavy, sturdy material. So like this will be good for like, obviously I live in London. It's summer in London at the moment, so this will be fine for this this sort of timing. If it gets a little bit hotter, it might be a little bit too hot, but also this is going to be a perfect look for like fall, autumn. And then I don't know what this is. Is this the top? Oh no, this looks like it's the top. This looks like it's the top. That looks like it's an accessory, I think. So the top is, yeah, it says large to extra large, and this one said large on it. So let's see about this top. I've never seen this on their website actually, I don't think. Or maybe I have. Ooh. What? How does this work? No, what? How does this work? Okay, I'm guessing this is a top, but I see, does it tie at the front? Okay, this looks like just a piece of fabric now, so we're gonna have to see how we tie this up. I'll probably try and find it online and see how this works, but obviously it's a really cute little white top. No, I'm doing this wrong. I'm totally getting this wrong. How does this work? We're gonna have to figure this out. We're gonna have to figure this top out because I can't understand it right this second. So, or is it this way? No, I have no idea. We're gonna have to figure that one out. And then there's a final piece, which I assume is one of the skinny scarves. They do a lot of like skinny scarves, which are really cute, and I really vibe with those. So no. Oh, it's a little bandana. This is so cute. I probably wouldn't wear like something like this in, actually this would be so cute with this outfit. Anyway, I probably wouldn't wear something like this in London, but this is like my idea of like heaven for like the beach. So cute. I think that's what that is. Anyway, I'm like pretty sure. Oh, and this has been manufactured with like the waist bits of the garments as well. So this must have been like a top or a dress at some point. Or a skirt, could have been anything really. And then the waist bits have been manufactured into this. I love it. So I'm gonna go online and try and figure out how you do this top, and then I'll come back to you. So this is the outfit on, and I actually really love it. Sorry, my dress is there messing up the whole room. I actually really love it. I've just paired it with a pair of like chunky sandals because that's how I style it. But considering mystery boxes are so hit and miss, like I really love this. I think it's so fun. The top probably would be more of like a very hot summer day, or like a holiday top for me, but I love how it fits on me. I think it looks really sexy, really flattering, like just a pair of like even like white trousers or something. And that's kind of what I love about both of these pieces, is that I can definitely like, I'm not gonna gravitate towards them and be like, that's an outfit together, like those two things have to go together. Like this can easily be like styled up and worn in different ways, which makes me really happy. I love the length on the skirt as well. Like I don't actually have any true like maxi skirts, and yeah, I just think it's such a great length. I'm really pleased with it. And obviously it's reversible as well, so I can have it as a black skirt if I want to wear like a maxi black skirt with like a black top. Might be quite cool. Yeah, there's just like so much I could do with this. I think I'm definitely like more into the brown side than the black side, and the little like headband thing truly just isn't my style, and I'll take that L with the because it was just the accessory in it, where I love both of these two pieces and I'm really happy. So yeah, I thought I'd just end the video in my new swanky top. I love how this looks. I'm really happy with the pieces I got. I actually didn't expect to be this happy, because I feel like it is so hit and miss from these sorts of things. I didn't expect to love the pieces as much as I do, and I'm so excited to get styling them. I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, you're going to see me wearing both of these a lot, so do head over there if you want to check out how I style everything I wear, to be honest, because that's where I put my outfit content. Obviously I'm making quite a lot of styling content on here now, so if you're into that kind of thing, then do please remember to hit the subscribe button. I make fashion content with a whole focus around slow and sustainable fashion and how to shop more consciously. So if that is your jam, oh, and also I make kind of like just general London life videos as well, but if either of those are your jam, then please do stick around, hit subscribe. I try and upload every Sunday, and then there's bonus videos or just random videos throughout the week. It's chaotic here. Please come and join. So yeah, catch you in a bit, guys.